old compost bin that I repurposed from Harding Green. Potatoes in here. See how many. Some have gone green because I'm a bit late. Oh, see this one. Homegrown potatoes, delicious. Oops. All of these took, I would say, maybe 4 months to grow. So it is a long-term project, but worth it. I mean, I don't know, I haven't got, look at that one. What a beauty. I can't remember what this variety is. There's a lot here too. They're all just coming out. That's why I thought I would get them now. Some have gone, you can re-sprout these. It's not a loss. Oh, that's a beauty, look. Potato harvest day. Need some potatoes. They're very expensive at the supermarket now. Look. Just a lot. Ooh. We've got heaps. They're everywhere. Well, I'll just keep harvesting. Getting right in it. As you can see, this soil, although dry, is full of these red wiggler worms. So they make a good compost, because this was compost from the kitchen. That turned into soil. I've thrown a lot of stuff in here. I hope this is on camera. And then I can plant something else in this area. Oops. And refertilize. Some aren't very good. So I guess for a couple of months' work, not a lot, but I didn't really have to do anything. I just put chitted potatoes in here and they grew. I think that's it, guys. That's about it. Oh, so many worms. I hope they get under. Ooh. Okay. Thank you for watching.